Hi, so today we're going to learn about if function here. In this HackerRank Python if statement, we have this comparison of odd and even, and we will print the output of where and not where, right? So if it's odd, then we will print where. If it's even, then we will print, and within the range, then we will print not where. Okay, so if statement is very simple. If we try to make it simple, right? So we have to realize the pattern here. So first thing first, the code said that we have to compare against the odd. So odd and then even. That's the challenge. Well, if you look at the range here, first thing first we have to distinct odd and even. Then within even we have to compare against the range, right? So all right, let's first look for if n is even. Okay, so if it's even, then we will enter this if statement inside here. So after if it's even, then we will check the range between 2 and 5 inclusive, right? So if 2 is less than or equal to n, and then less than or equal to 5, and then or in Python we use just or. Okay, so and then we have to even and then greater than 20, right? So n will be greater than 20. Okay, so if it's the case, then we will print here not where. All right, the same result, so we just have to print once. Okay, so after that so that will be our event, and once also not where, and then after that we have to compare against 6 to the range between 6 to 20, right? So we can say if 6 less than or equal to n, or less than or equal to 20, right? So then we will have to print where, right? Okay, so that's for our 6 to 20 range. Okay, so after that we will just print not here. So in this case we will just print where. The reason why is if it's not the even, if the value n is not even, then it will be odd, right? So in that case we will just print where. All right, that's it. All right, so let's try this and see the outcome. So it worked, and let's try and submit this code. Everything worked, and that's our solutions.